it's me again. So, today we're going to continue with human population dynamics, that is chapter 8 in your book. If you want to go into your book, it's page 361, okay? So, what will the future of world population? To take this into account, we need to know what is a fertility rate, right? That is the number of childs or that a woman can have. So we have that the fertility rate has decreased over time. A fertility rate of 2 in this case means that a couple replace themselves and do not add to the population. In this scenario, the population will increase from what is now 10.1 billion in 2011. That is an expectation to have that amount of people in 211. What is the number how many people is in this planet today? It's about more than 7.7 billion people. Okay, if fertility rate increases, like you can see here, 2.5, the population in 2100 will be 15.8 billion. So the population, the predictions of population depends on the fertility rate. Fertility rate is the amount of kids that a woman can have, right? Depending. So what do you think? What is the difference between LEDs and MEDs when we talk about the number of kids that a woman can have? The word fertility now, okay, we have that the total world fertility is now about 3. 1.7 in MEDs and an average of 3.4 in LEDs. Remember that we are part of this number. We are a country that is considered a LED, low economically developed country. So that's the pain of what? I don't know. You tell me, okay? Think why people want to have more kids than other kind of societies. So that depends on the income, if you have a job, if people is educated, if you want to travel. Now young people doesn't want to have kids, right? That is another thing. Maybe society wants young people to have kids earlier. So depends on the kind of the population, depends on the customs of every single population and the traditions. When we consider a country overpopulated, so here says that if a country has a higher optimum density population than other is considered overpopulated. But depending, for example, UK and Netherlands, they have high population densities, but they can support this population with a high living standard. For other part, Brazil, with 2 people per kilometer square, in the north is overpopulated because the resources are much scarcer. So countries considered overpopulated if they don't produce the highest economic return per capita. If they don't have how to sustain people, then a country is considered overpopulated, okay? And why do people have large families now, or maybe in the previous years? We have many points here. We have 5. The first one is high infant and childhood mortality. So according to the UNICEF, 1 child dies every 3 seconds. Can you imagine that? Due to malnutrition and disease. So it is an insurance to have more than you may need, so that some of them reach adulthood. So that is the why, okay? Then we have security in old age. The tradition in the family is that the children will take care of their parents. That is another reason why people have large families. Then we have children are an economic asset in agricultural societies. So they need more people to help to increase their income when they work in agriculture. Status of women. The traditional position of women is that they are subordinated to men. In many countries they are deprived of many rights, so they must have kids. That is like kind of discrimination, but they consider women to do that, okay? And they have the 5th is unavailability of contraceptives. In MEDs, this is the prime way of reducing fertility. In LEDs, many women would like to have them, but they are too poor to pay for them, or they cannot get access to contraceptives. From that, what are solutions to reduce family size? provide education, improve health, make more contraceptives, and enhance income, and improve resource management, okay? Those are the main ones.